Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to take a look at the entire crypto market. That's why it's crypto news today. I want to start with Polygon though. Polygon Matic, ticker symbol Matic. So they rebranded earlier this year, and it's kind of been a slow grow after the big pop. So they kind of came out of nowhere. They were somewhere in like the number 50 range on coin market cap. They burst onto the scene. They came all the way up to 20. They got all this hype earlier this year. I talked about them and kind of rode the wave up with them. And it was very early on this YouTube channel. I think a lot of people opened their eyes to Matic, but now it's been kind of just in the background with all these other DeFi plays and so many people looking elsewhere. Don't sleep on Matic. I think it is a sleeping giant, and I think this article talks about some of the things that Polygon is doing behind the scenes. This layer 2 solution, if and when, which I think they should, if and when they come together and partner with Ethereum to help scalability, this price will jump. Now, if it's not Ethereum, it's going to be others. It's going to be others in the space because people are going to want this layer 2. So crowd attention shifts from Ethereum to Matic. Time for Matic price breakout. So this article kind of pins Ethereum and Matic as competitors, and I see how they could be, but I think the real benefit could be if they combine and partner. That's just my opinion. That's why I'm still holding my Matic. That's why I look to add on to at various positions. Listen, Polygon is down there. When it gets down below $1, it is a great, great buy. Let's see where it is right now, and then we'll bounce back into that article. So things are actually coming back here today, which is good to see. Matic right now at $1.10. It's ranked number 21. I first purchased Polygon at 77 cents and again at 88 cents. That's where I have most of my bag there. I haven't added a ton other than that, but I added two nice positions. So I like where I'm at. I'm roughly at like 80 cents per Matic. I think we're heading to upwards to $4, I would say, by the end of the year. Now let's bounce back in. So it says here, Matic Network daily user activity booms ahead of Ethereum. Keep in mind, Matic is one of the top performing smart contract platforms, ranked number 3 in year to date growth behind Phantom and Solana. Also on that list is Terra Luna and Polkadot. So the crowd is going crazy to see Matic's performance over the last few days. And it says here, Matic hit 351K daily active users, where Ethereum's user activity stood at 326,000. So recently, they've partnered with VYSYN, providing a $30 million fund. Recently, Hyperplay, a multiple currency payment solution, collaborated with Polygon, so users can now check the Polygon dApps on Hyperpay wallet. They're also getting ready to collaborate with Idle Finance, a leading yield aggregator. This venture will help users earn the highest rewards from several DeFi strategies. Now, here's the other thing too. The slight pullback is trading at 109, 110 right now at the time of this recording. Matic price is patiently waiting for a breakout as its major resistance lies at 116. With breakout, the price could skyrocket to new highs, and I think that is certainly imminent for the end of the year. Now, let's get back to the overall crypto market because things are starting to rise again. Let's take a look at some of the top gainers here. And if we go to the 24-hour period, we could see DYDX is crushing it. Over the past week, it's up 92.85%. It's ranked number 70 on the big board all of a sudden. You can see, look at that chart over here to the right side. That thing is just booming. OKB, that's up 15%. Binance Coin, ranked number 5 on the big board, it's up 8.7%. OMG Network is up about 6%. Perpetual Protocol has had a really nice week. Nice 7-day gain here of about 29%. Pancake Swap, we're seeing a lot of the decentralized exchanges performing well. Pancake Swap's turned to rise up here today. It's up 5.2%. We saw Uniswap and Sushi Swap really perform well over the past week or so. Solana trying to build back up some of that momentum. It's ranked number 7. How about Solana? What a story. It is up to 138.55. Near Protocol, it's had a nice run as well over the past week or two. It's up 3.26%. And there's Polygon up about 2%. Zilliqa is another one that I hold that I think is a sleeping giant. ZIL is just in the top 100, ranked at number 94. It's at 7 cents right now. It could be had over at crypto.com. By the way, crypto.com, link down below. Use my referral code Zach, and we both get $25 in Crow Coin back. So that's pretty nice. If you open up an account over there, I'm officially a partner with crypto.com, at least for the next 3 months. Then we're going to renegotiate some things. But yeah, a lot of fun. I love that platform. Okay. A couple other things. SHIB is up 2%. H bar, that's another one. 32 cents right now. H bar is interestingly, kind of creeping up there on the big board. It's ranked number 43. Harmony one that I hold, one that I really like, still up 29% in the week. That one has performed really nicely. And let's see, anything else kind of to touch on? Algorand is another sleeping giant, in my opinion. I think Algorand has a lot of room to grow in this cycle. So I really like Algorand for the future here. And just kind of going through here, see where else everything is. Dogecoin back at 20 cents. It dipped down to 19 cents at some time yesterday. Really like Doge under 20 cents. Ethereum, same thing. Underneath 3,000, I think is a good buy. Really, where we're really looking for right now is like anywhere it gets into the 2,700 range. You get it at 2,750. That's a great steal on Ethereum. Right now, we're sitting at 2,923. Love Ethereum. This is my #1 holding. I posed a question yesterday. I want to pose this with everybody else. Does Cardano get to $9 or Ethereum to $9,000 first? What happens first? Let me know down below in the comment section. But to put a bow on this, overall, the crypto market slowly coming back. I think we're going to see October is going to be a much better month. As we get into quarter #4, I think we're going to see some massive growth here. I think just thinking out loud here, I think October is kind of going to be a slow build. And November, I think the roof's going to pop off, in my opinion. That's what I'm hearing and reading. We'll see what happens. Strap it in, sit back, relax, and strap it down because I think crypto is about to go crazy. All right. Patreon link down below in the description. Come on over, join us. $10 per month, $20 per month. What's 10 or 20 bucks these days? I'll tell you this, you're going to get a ton of value for your $10 or $20 per month over at our private community. I can attest to all of, and others can attest to this, and you can ask them. Don't just hear it from me. But yeah, it's a great place to be. You could save 15% if you go with the annual membership. All right, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you all in the next video. Oh yeah, real quick before I get on out of here, come on down and follow me on Twitter. And be careful, there are a ton of scammers out there. So it's at Z_Humphries. You can see that in my little box there as well. But there's a lot of people trying to impersonate me and then have you send things and scam people, which is just a pain in the what. But don't fall for it. This is my official account. Trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the year. So let's see if we can do that. 10,000 followers over on Twitter. So thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know your thoughts right now about the overall crypto market and where things are heading. And I will see you all in the next.